In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link a button to a page in WordPress. Whether you're building a new site or updating an existing one, adding buttons that redirect visitors to specific pages can enhance navigation and make for a much smoother user experience. So let's dive right in and get started on this simple yet crucial process. First, open your web browser and head over to wordpress.com. This is the platform where we'll be making all the necessary changes. Once you arrive at the homepage, you'll see an option to log in at the top right corner of the screen. Go ahead and click on that. Now, if you're someone who prefers streamlined processes, you'll be glad to know that you can log in with your Google account. Simply click on the Continue with Google button. It's that easy. Once you click, you'll be prompted to choose your Google account. Pick the account you wish to use for WordPress. This makes accessing your WordPress account a breeze if you're already logged into your Google account elsewhere. Next up, on the right hand panel of your WordPress dashboard, you'll see a section labeled Quick Links. Right there you'll find the Edit Site button. Click on it. What this does is takes you to a list of your websites. Here you can select the website where you want to link a button to a specific page. Simply click on the website's name and it will open the site editor. Now, you should see a plus icon typically at the top left or within your editing space. This icon is key. It allows you to add various blocks to your site. Click on this plus icon. Doing so will give you a search bar. In this search bar, type the word button. It's straightforward and WordPress will automatically filter your choices. From the results, click on buttons. This option will add a button block to your page, a powerful feature that lets users navigate through your site with ease. Once you have your button block in place, make sure it's selected. The next step is to link this button to a specific page. To do this, either click on the link icon, which you can usually see on your toolbar, or for those who love shortcuts, just press Ctrl K on your keyboard. Now it's time to paste your URL. Copy the URL of the page you want your button to link to and paste it into the designated space. With your link in place, click on Submit to confirm it. Finally, don't forget to save your changes. Click the Save button, usually found at the top right corner of the screen. Saving ensures that your newly created button link is up and running on your site. And there you have it, folks. You've successfully linked a button to a page in WordPress. It's a simple process that can make a significant difference in how users interact with your site, enhancing both functionality and user experience. Keep practicing, and soon enough, adding buttons will be second nature.